Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on About Tablet at the bottom. Following that, choose device name at the top and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, click on OK in the pop-up and then OK in this one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Lenovo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!